Hello everyone, it's Birdie, and this is officially my launch video. And I'm sitting here trying to think, what can I do differently than other diamond painting channels? What can I do differently? And I thought, okay, so all the channels that I've seen, you don't really see the area where they work on their diamond paintings. You don't see where they keep their stash. You don't see where they do the filming or anything like that. Usually you just see their hands unboxing and diamond painting, and I'm going, let's be different. I'm welcoming you into my home. I want you to see my home. I want you to see where I'm going to be doing my diamond paintings, so you can get a clear idea of where I am, what I'm doing. So let's show you. All right, so I'm backing up from my chair right now. I'm getting up. I got this big easel. My wrist need that. And I have these two tables here. One to hold my drills. The other one to pour and set up for my drill color. Extra supplies. It's my chair, comfy chair. And this is my lower level of my house. This is my crafting area / cat area. I have multiple cats. I am not the crazy cat lady. I am the clever cat lady. So also I want to introduce you to my pets, because it's most likely they're going to be in videos. They get in, they jump in, especially this one. This is my newest one. He was found in the middle of the road as a 5-week-old kitten, and he came in my life when I needed him the most. This is Sammy. This is my general area. I got a little refrigerator. This is where I keep my bins. Each one of my projects I keep in a bin. And a couple of these are friends and my sisters. They come over here and they work on diamond paintings with me. Some supplies. So this is my general area where I do most of my diamond painting. I get extra easels, so if someone comes over, this is where I'll be doing a lot of my projects and filming them. This is my tripod. And this is another chair, but for now it's a kitty bed. It's a kitty bed. This is Twitter. This is why I call him Twitter. This is my relaxing area, mainly for my cats. Watch my TV, my YouTube videos, and over here, that's where I keep my extra supplies. And keep my stashes up here. My expensive stashes. Over here, is my other low quality stash. Oh, Sammy, watch your putties. Watch your putties. Got your putty right there. This is Melly. Melly, I have 3 of her daughters here. That's Gracie, Tessie, and Edwina. And this is the cat area. They go up here. They jump through this door right here and they go out into a catio. That's an outdoor enclosure. And their kitty litter room is right there. They go through that little portal. Now the gentleman that lived here, the couple that lived here before, were very clever. I mean, I don't have a sophisticated house. I don't have a contemporary house or a fancy house, but I have a charming house. A warm, welcoming house. And I want to welcome you to it. So this is the outhouse inside the house. It's also a timeout room for the cats when they're bad. Don't worry, got a curtain for the window in the bathroom. He also, yes, I really do need all these cats. This is the laundry room slash pantry. And there's no use for this room, but that's my next video. Can't show you that. I have to sneak out real quick. So this is my general diamond painting area. I've trained all my cats to, most of them, I'm still working on Sammy. And this is my diamond painting area. Keep track of my time and stuff right there. Has a really good light. So I hope you join me. I hope that this launch video will help you to see where I'm at when I'm doing diamond painting. And there's one more area that I do diamond painting. So I'm going to show you that. This is the main level. This is Gracie. Hi, Gracie. She's clever. She can get through this door. This is the door I MacGyvered. She's the only one that knows how to get through. So this is my kitchen. I have a big pole barn with a cat house in it, G-rated, and I also have a catio for that. So when it gets warmer. So I sometimes do diamond painting on here, my smaller projects. Leads to the bathroom and bedrooms. So I hope this was a good launch idea. I wish I had a better day for you. It's kind of dreary today. I do my editing on my computer. There's my 30-cent rescue fish. Was that big? That big. It's Jody. Red eyes. The older generation will understand that. And in here is my next video. I will explain. But it's a really, really, really good idea. So yeah, welcome to my home. I hope you'll come and visit me often. And this is Birdie. Oh, and this is Edwina. That's one of Melly's daughters. She's so laid back. Aren't you, Edwina? There's Tessie. There's another one of Melly's daughters. Hi, Tessie. Gotta introduce you to them because they're going to be jumping in here and there. It's Gracie. So these three are Melly Mays. Sammy. Alright. That's enough. I didn't want this video to be too long. So, this is Birdie. Her launch video for this channel. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's Birdie. Signing off. And what do you think you're doing? You want to jump up on me, don't ya? Don't ya? No. No. Get back. You don't go in there. No, that's a no-no.